In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your WooCommerce Shop page with ease. If your WordPress theme supports full site editing and WooCommerce blocks, the process becomes simple, visual, and incredibly flexible. Let's jump in and turn your shop page into something that truly reflects your brand and improves your customers' shopping experience. Start by heading to the Appearance section in your WordPress dashboard. Click Editor, also known as the Site Editor. This is where you control the global layout of your site. Today, we'll focus on the Product Catalog template, which controls how your shop page looks. Inside this template, you will see the default WooCommerce All Products block. This block displays your full catalog, but you're not limited to just this. WooCommerce gives you additional blocks like best-selling products, product categories, and many more. You can also add text, images, and banners to elevate your design and highlight special offers or collections. Next, customize the All Products block itself. You can change the number of columns, adjust how many products appear per row, change the sorting order, and toggle pagination. These options help create a smoother browsing experience so customers can easily find what they need. If you want to take things even further, consider adding banners to showcase sales, testimonials to build trust, or layout blocks to give your page a more professional look. Small touches like these can make your shop page feel more dynamic and more aligned with your brand. Once you're satisfied with the design, make sure to save your changes. Your shop page will now use this updated template, giving visitors a clean, customized experience. Always preview before publishing to ensure everything looks and performs exactly the way you want. And that's it. Your WooCommerce shop page is now fully customized and ready to help your business stand out. Happy editing, and here's to more conversions and more success from your new storefront design.